Hardware infrastructure has scaled so aggressively that raw compute power is driving the cost of basic artificial intelligence towards zero. Model pricing drops 30 to 50% every year. Yet MIT researchers tracking enterprise deployments found that 95% of AI pilots produce zero measurable return on investment. This comparison matrix shows why. A pilot phase model looks brilliant processing perfectly clean documents at low cost, but scaling to production exposes the illusion. Point that same model at messy corporate data, and it breaks down into severe hallucinations and exponential bills. The point of failure is no longer the intelligence of the model itself. It is the lack of infrastructure surrounding it. Winning in 2026 requires a shift in perspective. You have to stop trying to pick the smartest model and start building the most resilient system. Pushing an AI application out of the pilot phase forces every enterprise to confront a massive strategic fork in the road. The first path is the all-in-one Frontier API. This means relying exclusively on a premium external model, like GPT-5 or Claude Opus, to handle every request. This approach minimizes your upfront engineering time, getting you to market fast. The trade-off is that it scales terribly in operational costs, and it forces you to relinquish control over your proprietary data to a third-party vendor. The alternative path is the hybrid routing architecture. Here, you combine small local models, custom data pipelines, and intelligent traffic routers to handle the workload internally. The choice you make right here dictates how your capital is spent. Your budget will either bleed out in unpredictable monthly API usage fees, or you will invest it upfront in engineering and data preparation. A hybrid stack's foundational layer grounds the model in company truth, using a retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, pipeline. The system intercepts a prompt, retrieves specific internal documents, and feeds them to the model, eliminating hallucinations and forcing a verified, cited response. The immediate trade-off is volume. Stuffing chunks of your documents into every prompt significantly increases the token count, which increases the compute required per request. The hidden cost is preparation. RAG pipelines only work if the data is pristine. You must hire specialized data engineering teams to meticulously clean and structure your enterprise records before the system can function. Without clean data feeding a robust RAG pipeline, even the most expensive frontier model on the market will confidently invent false answers. Once data is clean, you assign the right engine. Small language models serve as highly efficient, specialized engines for targeted enterprise tasks. Instead of pinging a massive cloud network, you deploy a 14 billion parameter small language model, or SLM, directly on your own private self-hosted servers. Hosting it yourself drops your per-request inference costs to near zero. Just as importantly, it guarantees complete data privacy, which is non-negotiable for regulated industries. The trade-off is their capability. SLMs require strict task scoping, like simple classification, tagging, or routing. If you ask a small model to execute open-ended reasoning, it will fail completely. Premium frontier models sit on the exact opposite end of the spectrum. They provide unmatched capability for complex, multi-step logic and deep reasoning. This bar chart reveals the severe cost penalty for that intelligence. A premium frontier model can reach $15 per million tokens. Marking the break-even threshold shows why keeping traffic on SLMs is an economic necessity to justify upfront engineering. Paying a frontier model to perform basic data extraction is like hiring a brain surgeon to apply a Band-Aid. It is an utter waste of capital. To bridge the gap, you install a routing layer, the dynamic brain of the hybrid architecture. Analyzing tasks in milliseconds, it funnels 80% of easy traffic to cheap microtier models, escalating only the hardest 20% to expensive frontier models. The trade-off here is that routing introduces mild latency to the user. It also requires you to build an advanced reward signal to constantly track whether the router picked the correct model. For that 20% of traffic where a frontier model is required, prompt caching becomes your ultimate cost reduction lever. Providers now allow you to cache heavy system prompts. Instead of paying to reprocess the exact same instructions on every call, the provider stores them, dropping the effective input cost of a mid-tier model to a fraction of its sticker price. The catch is that caching only generates ROI under specific conditions. Your workflow must rely on highly repetitive system prompts and maintain a high cache hit rate before the discount kicks in. Between caching and routing, you transform AI from unpredictable API bills into a managed, predictable infrastructure expense. Your deployment path in 2026 ultimately depends on exactly how your specific workloads align with your budget and internal engineering capabilities. This evaluation matrix maps task complexity on the x-axis against traffic volume and budget sensitivity on the y-axis. Look at the top left quadrant. This represents high-volume, low-complexity tasks for enterprises under strict data residency requirements. If you sit here, you must invest in the hybrid architecture. Your outcome depends on utilizing self-hosted SLMs and strict RAG pipelines to keep data secure and costs low. The trade-off setup for Ath is execution. It requires specialized development partners for integration, meaning higher initial engineering costs and a multi-month timeline before deployment. Now look at the bottom right quadrant. This covers low-volume but highly complex tasks, typically startups building agentic workflows or executing rigorous scientific reasoning. If this is your workload, your required outcome is speed and intelligence. You should default to premium frontier APIs and aggressively leverage prompt caching. To take this path, you must accept 10 to 50 times higher operating costs and strict vendor lock-in, knowing that it saves you months of back-end engineering. In 2026, raw intelligence is a cheap commodity. The organizations that win are not the ones paying for the smartest model. They are the ones building the smartest system to manage it.